Hi, it's Amber from Sweet Am's Cookies, and I'm going to show you how I made these meringue poppies for Memorial Day. This is a really simple recipe with just a few ingredients. You'll need 3 large egg whites, 3/4 cups of sugar, and a teaspoon of cream of tartar. I also added a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you'll whisk that to combine it and place the bowl over a pot of simmering water and whisk it over the water until the mixture reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Then remove the mixture from the heat and whip it on high speed until you get stiff peaks. This will take about 5 minutes. Then you can add the food coloring. I'm using Ann Clark Pumpkin Orange and Super Red. Add a few drops of color at a time and gently fold it in. I ended up using about 26 drops of red and 7 drops of orange to make this color. I'll be using a decorating tip 125 to pipe these poppies. So just put that into a large decorating bag and then fill it up with the meringue. Pipe a little meringue onto a flour nail and then attach a parchment paper square. Pipe the poppies with the narrow end of the tip facing out and use a gentle waving motion as you pipe all the way around. And then pipe a second layer a little bit smaller than the first layer. Then you can slide that off the flour nail and place it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. I put 1 white chocolate chip in the middle of each flour and then surrounded that with mini chocolate chips. These will need to bake at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 to 3 hours. They should be completely dry and crispy when they're done. Let me know if you make this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye!